This is our materials. Soap, starch, tap water, egg white, cooking oil, boiling water, vials, fork, bowl, tablespoon, measuring cup, the materials. Liquid. Step 1. Put 2 tablespoons of starch in a bowl. Step 2. Add 2 tablespoons of tap water and stir to dissolve starch.
Post ka? Hindi, wag. Diretso lang.
Step 3. While stirring, add 1 cup of boiling water and set aside to cool.
Stop na.
Pause.
Ay, hindi. Pakita mo na. Post stop.
Hindi, pakita mo muna to. Pause mo muna, tap.
Types of collides.